Reach Ayurveda to each.
Namaste. The science of Ayurveda gives keen importance to Ahara or our dietetic regimen. It explains various concepts on food, nutrition, and balanced diet, and all these concepts are tailored in such a way that it fits the requirements of each and every individual based on their Prakriti, Agni, and Avastha. The rules of consumption of food has been explained in Vimanasthana of Charaka Samhita. These rules are called Ahara Vidhividhana and these are unique to Ayurveda. Before we commence, shower your support by subscribing to our channels and liking this video. Share with your family and friends and follow our Facebook and Instagram pages for more updates. As we mentioned earlier, the Dwadasha Ashana Pravichara are the 12 rules for consumption of food. Let us understand each of them. The first rule is called Ushnam Ashniyat. How many of you take your lunch in a box or eat food directly from the refrigerator? Did you know that this is the reason for most of your health conditions? Food is to be taken warm or hot. This helps in perceiving proper taste, stimulating digestion, promoting evacuation process, and reducing kapha dosha. Snigdham Ashniyat. Consume unctuous food. Such food helps in improving the digestion and peristaltic movements. They strengthen the sense organs and enhances vigor and complexion. This is the reason why it is recommended to take roti or rice with ghee. Matravat Ashniyat. Imagine that you go for a wedding reception. After the heavy dinner, even though you are full, you tend to find place in your tummy for ice cream and gulab jamun, right? This behavior is against the rule of Ayurveda, which says food should always be consumed in an appropriate quantity. Consuming food in the adequate quantity does not impair digestion and helps in maintaining the balance of tridoshas. It causes a sense of ease and gratification. Jeerne Ashniyat. Remember during the lockdown when you were stuck at home doing nothing? How many times did you visit the kitchen to munch on something each day? Did you realize that while you were eating in between the meals, you were actually not giving time for the previous meal to digest? Eat your meal after the digestion of the previous meal. This ensures that the digestion is proper and the channels are clear. This prevents indigestion, prevents vitiation of doshas, and promotes proper nourishment. Virya Viruddha. Food having antagonistic properties should not be taken simultaneously. This will prevent the adverse reactions caused due to the consumption of such Viruddha Ahara. Consuming milk and sour food together is bad for health for this reason. Ishtadeshe Ashniyat and Ishta Sarvopakarane Ashniyat. It's not satisfying to eat at an unhygienic street outlet or using unclean accessories, right? Food should be consumed in a favorable, compatible location using favorable accessories like plates and spoons. This helps in preventing depression of mind due to unpleasant atmosphere. Na atidrutam ashniyat. How many of you gulp down the food in a hurry because you are busy with your work? Food should not be consumed too quickly. If you eat food hurriedly, it can increase vata and affect the power of digestion. Food may also enter the wrong tract. Na ati vilambitam ashniyat. Food should not be consumed too slowly. The food becomes cold and does not give satisfaction. The digestion becomes irregular due to leisurely eating. Ajalpan Ashniyat and Ahasan Ashniyat. It's a common scene in all the canteens and in functions. People would be talking and laughing while eating. You have seen this, right? Talking and laughing is to be avoided while consuming food. When a person eats without concentration by talking and laughing, it causes the same adverse effects of eating hastily. Tanmana Bunjita. Food should be taken with concentration. This will prevent all the adverse effects and bestow good nourishment and pleasantness. But in the present times, everyone are deeply involved with their phone or are watching the TV while eating. They don't even realize what they are eating. Atmanam Abhisamikshya Bunjitam. Understand and ask yourself what you need to eat. Always consider what your body wants and eat according to your habits and needs, and eat with a pleasant state of mind. This will help in preventing diseases. These rules of diet are prescribed in such a way as to maintain health and treat diseases, and understanding and analyzing its application is one step to lead a healthy life. In the present times, these rules are forgotten, and it is necessary to relearn the art of eating for promoting a healthy society. This video has been created as a collaboration of Simply Ayurveda and Aptas. Consider subscribing to both our channels and follow us for more such content.